The function f is defined by f of x equals e to the x. A. Sketch the graph of y equals f of x. Write down the coordinates of the point of intersection of the graph with the y-axis. Using a separate set of axes, sketch the graph of y equals f of 3x minus 4, indicating the behavior of your graph for large negative values of x. Write down the coordinates of the point of intersection of the graph with the y-axis. Find the x-coordinate of the point of intersection of the graph with the x-axis. Give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. Okay, let's have a little look at this then. We need to sketch e to the x and write down the chords where the y cuts the y-axis. So let's just draw an axis then. Put it here. So we need to draw e to the x and indicate where it cuts the y-axis. So let's do that then. So I'm going to, because I'm using a digital pen, I'm going to do a dashed line, I think. So e to the x then. So let's just sketch it here. It's going to come down, go through there. And we have to indicate the point where, so this is y equals e to the x. And this coordinate here, where it cuts the y-axis, when x is 0, y equals e to 0, which is 1. So let's have a look. Did we indicate the value? Coordinate, yeah, y cuts the y-axis. Using separate axes, sketch f of 3x minus 4 then. So edit paste. So this was A. So let's paste in a new axis then and put it over here. And this is now B. Okay, sketch y equals f of 3x. So this would be f of 3x is e to the 3x minus 4. So it's going to go up really steep, but it's going to be shifted down by 4 units. So it's going to go through here still. So shift that down by 4, you get 0 minus 3. And it's just going to, and then it flattens out at 1 unit less, doesn't it? So if we draw this asymptote, so it's going to go down to here. This is minus 4. So the curve comes up to here. But because it's e to the 3x, it goes up much more steeply than it did do before. So y equals is this graph here. Okay, so that's what we've got then. We've indicated the behavior for large negative x. So as x tends to infinity, as x tends to minus infinity, y tends to minus 4. Write down the coordinates where y cuts the y-axis. So here's y cuts the y-axis, which we've done here. And find the x-coordinate where y cuts the x-axis. So we need this coordinate here. So this is part 3. This is part 3. So let's do that over here, separate part of the problem. So when does this equal 0? E to the 3x minus 4 equals 0 is what we want to find out. We want the x coordinate value, don't we? So e to the 3x equals 4. So 3x then, take logs to base e, or write this in log form, it's natural logarithm of 4. So x will equal, move the 3 from times to divide, a third ln 4. We need to work this out to 3dp. So it's 1 divided by 3 times natural logarithm of the value 4. 462, 0.462. And that was to 3 decimal places.